Okay, so we are syringe feeding Cooper today. Just hold on to his muzzle a little bit, gently, and you put it in, insert the silicone tip in, and just feed him like a baby bird. And then you're not tugging on his hair or anything, you're just kind of holding it slowly so that he can swallow. Good boy, Cooper. Reward chicken at the end. Fill up another syringe. Make sure the tip of the syringe isn't too dirty. Grab him again, gently, insert, and just feed him like a baby bird. And you do this until they'll start eating on their own. And this is how you can get nutritious food into your dog. If all your dog wants to do is eat bad stuff while he's sick, or if all he wants to eat, or if he won't eat at all. We'll do it one more time. Now Koopa's already eaten most of his meal, so he's probably full at this point, so this will probably be the end. And I do about half a cup every time, and he just eats it up like a baby bird. Good boy, Cooper. We'll do one more since it seems like he still wants to eat. And I also, in his food, mix various things like probiotics and his Cosequin. That way he gets all of his medications as well without fighting. And there you go. Good boy, Cooper. That's it.